everyone, and welcome back to Cosplay Sewing School. Today I am going to take you through my 12 rules of costuming. Let's go. You can cosplay or costume any character you want. You can wear clothing from any era or any class of people that you want. Cosplay simply means costume play. You can create characters from TV, movies, anywhere you like. You love that painting in the art museum? Go for it. Make your own original characters. Don't feel like because someone else told you that you can't do something that you can't. There are no rules or requirements in costuming. My only rule is you better have fun. Historical costuming does not mean you need to be from the right race or follow the ideas or ideals of the era you are choosing. Your skin color, gender, body type, weight, any of those things, all the external physical appearance that you have to the world, none of that matters when selecting a character. Guess what? So that anime character has like what appears to be like a 14-inch waist. That's not real. Girl, you go do that no matter what size you are. Don't wait and wait telling yourself, I'm going to lose that weight, or I'm going to change something about myself, or my race can't do that, or I can't do that because I'm the wrong gender. No, none of that. You need to cosplay the characters you love because you love them. Just don't change your skin color to try to match another human race skin color. But feel free to be an alien. Paint yourself pink, purple, and green all over. A little secret, you don't have to make characters screen accurate. You don't have to make clothing historically accurate. You don't have to spend a ton of money if you don't want to. Your budget is your business. Who said you had to make your own costume? The only time that matters is in competition. So you wear glasses. Maybe you have a wheelchair or a medical aid, or you got crutches right before the event. Who cares? Make it a part of your costume and have fun with it. None of those things matter, not even in competition. You know what matters is that you are safe, sound, and happy in your costume. So don't put those contacts in if you don't want to. And don't skip a character just because your medical aid exists. Have fun, play, and costume what you want. Be respectful of the character that you are playing and of the people around you. Sometimes characters have certain implications, and you need to know this, research, and understand this before you leave the house in that character. And if you are doing a character that involves another race or culture, please make sure you are very respectful of that race or culture in your costume. Costume only because you want to. Don't let other people push you into it. If you're not feeling it, and even if you're a regular costumer, if you're not feeling it, you don't have to dress up for the event. This stuff can get hard. And if you don't love it, you're probably going to quit. So if you do love it, all the blood, sweat, and tears, that'll all be good in the end, and it'll all be worth it. Thanks so much for watching my 12 rules of costuming. I hope that you enjoyed. Just remember, the most important rule is to have fun and make the characters, costumes, or cosplay that you want to make and that make you feel happy. And I hope you click that subscribe button. You can also find my new book at my website. The store link is down below, where you will find the Cosplay Sewing School Project Planning Guide and Workbook for cosplayers, costumers, and historical sewing. My book covers all of the aspects from idea management to planning your costume to swatching and figuring out how to document all of your materials. You will be competition ready or just plain out organized in no time. So I hope to see you back here soon at Cosplay Sewing School. Bye!